Welcome to the unboxing of the automatic multi-rat trapper. Inside the box, you'll find one fully assembled unit, ready to use straight out of the box. Let's take a view of the product. It features two entry points, one just below the key mechanism and the other directly on the opposite side. On the top, there's a transparent clear sheet, allowing you to easily check any rats have been caught inside. To activate the trapper, simply turn the key clockwise 9 to 10 times. Once wound, the trap is set and ready to catch. When a rodent enters from either side and steps onto the trigger plate, the mechanism activates automatically, securely trapping the rat inside. As shown in the video, sliding open the top lid reveals the holding chamber, mouse tunnel, and spring mechanism. To release the trapped rodent, just slightly slide the top lid, then pull up the side lid, as demonstrated. For airflow and ventilation, multiple small holes have been provided along the sides of the trapper. This trap is designed to hold 2 to 3 large rats at a time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more innovative pest control solutions.